Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. Now the next topic to be discussed is the circular linked list. In last videos we have completed all the operations on doubly linked list. If you have any queries then please do comment, and if you like my videos then never forget to share and subscribe to my channel. So without wasting much of the time, let's start with the next topic, that is circular linked list. We have already introduced what is mean by circular linked list and the structure of the circular linked list. Related video link is provided in the description box. So consider this is the circular linked list having 5 nodes. So this is same structure as singly linked list. We have only one difference, that is the pointer field of tail node, it's pointing to head node instead of null. In case of singly linked list, last node's pointer field takes the value null. So instead of that, here the tail node's next pointer is pointing to head node. Okay. Now we will see the node structure of linked list, circular linked list. So node structure for circular linked list is same as the node structure of singly linked list. It contains two parts. One part is data part, and we are storing here the integer value. That's why the data type of data field is integer, and another part is nothing but the pointer field named as next, and it is of struct node star because it stores the address of next node, and the type of next node is of type struct node. That's why its data type will be of struct node star. Now let's start with the first operation on circular linked list. So we'll have the code for insertion at the beginning of the circular linked list. Okay, so consider here we are inserting the first node in the linked list, that is circular linked list. So consider, suppose this is our linked list. Now while inserting any node in the linked list, we have to consider some of the conditions. First condition is that whether the linked list is present or not. So if head is equal to null, that means linked list itself does not exist, and if exists, then what will be the changes that made in the pointer field of the existing linked list as well as the new node that is going to be added in the linked list. Okay, so let's start with the code. So first we have taken here the function insert at start. Here in the last videos that we have considered for doubly linked list, we have passed one parameter, that is int data, and that takes the value from the main function. But here we are taking the value of data variable from user itself. Okay, so here I haven't passed any parameter for the function int at start. Okay, in that we will consider two pointers. One is current pointer and another is temporary pointer. So current pointer is used for creation of a node that we are going to insert in the circular linked list, and a temporary pointer we are using here for the traversing a linked list, means it gets updated every time whenever we have a need to traverse a linked list. Okay, now we have taken here one integer variable that we have to take value, or we have to take data from the user, that is for every node we want to have the data part, so that will be accepted from user in this case. Okay, so you can use as a parameter like we have discussed earlier in the videos of doubly linked list, or you can accept it from the user. Okay, so it is totally user dependent, but you have to change some of the lines in the code. So first we will allocate memory to the current node. That's why current is equal to struct node star malloc. This keyword is used to allocate memory of size struct node, and it will be of type struct node star. Okay, so here we have created a single node named as current, which have two fields. One is data part and other field is what? That stores the address of next node. Okay, now we will assign the fields of the current pointer. Okay, so I have accepted here the data part of the current node. Okay, so printf enter data of a node and that will be stored in the variable item. Now this item value will be copied from item to current tends to data. So item will get copied in the current tends to data. So its value will be stored in this nodes data parts. Okay, now we have to assign the value of current tends to next field to the null. Okay, so here I have forgotten. So current tends to next will be assigned as null. Now we have created a single node. Suppose we are inserting node 1. Okay, so this is our current node and we have to insert this node in the linked list. Okay, so first we have to check condition that whether the linked list is present or not. For that purpose we have in condition, that is if head is equal to null. It means if head node doesn't exist, then our circular linked list will not be present at all. Okay, so if head is equal to null, so what we have to do here, so this current node will act as a head node. So assignment will be done, that is head is equal to current. So newly added node will act as a head node. If head node is not present in the linked list, means if linked list does not exist. Okay, so current tends to next will point to head node, means it will point to itself. Okay, so that will complete the linked list of a single node after inserting single node in the linked list. Okay, and if this is not the case, means if linked list already exists, then we have to insert this newly created node in the already existing linked list. Okay, so that comes under the else part. So in that case, first we will copy the head value in the temporary node, because for traversal we will require temporary node. Okay, I will start traversal from head. Okay, so head will get copied in the temporary pointer. Now while temp tends to next not equal to head, we have to update the temporary pointer to temp is equal to temporary next, because if we are inserting newly created node at the first of the linked list, then what will be the changes we have to make? So this pointer will get attached to this node, and this is current head node, and this will work for the new head node. Okay, as well as we have to update the pointer of last node in the already existing linked list. Okay, so means we have to point this last node's pointer to the newly added node like this. Okay, so we have to traverse first from first node to last node. Okay, then we have to insert this node, then we will copy the address of this first node to the newly added node, and then we have to mark newly added node as a head node. Okay, so I will traverse from first node to last node by temp is equal to temp tends to next. Now this is our current node which we are inserting in the linked list, so that will point to head node, and this is our current head node. So current tends to next is equal to head. Now next we have to point this last node to the first node, that is newly created node. So now we have traversed from first to last node up to end. So the condition we have seen here, temp tends to next not equal to head. So this will be the condition for the last node only. Okay, so now my temporary node is the last node in the linked list. So temp tends to next will go to now current node. Okay, so what will be the value of temporary next? So that will point to the newly added node, that is our current node. So the next statement will be temp tends to next is equal to current, and now we have to assign this newly added node as a head node. So I'll change the value of head to current node. Okay, so that's why this assignment will be go from current node to head node. Okay, so this will make the newly added node as head node. Okay, so now here else part will complete, and here the function for insertion at the start or insertion at the beginning of the circular linked list completed. Hope so you have understood how we have created the temporary node, how we have checked conditions for existing linked list, as well as if linked list does not exist, how to allocate memory for the new node, how we can copy the data from one node to another node, and what are the changes we require to make to add the new node in the linked list. If you have any queries, then do comment, and if you like my videos, then never forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.